Today we're going to talk about the 9 steps that start a relationship. If you're ready, let's begin. 1. Show interest. If you like someone, you should show it, but that doesn't mean jumping on them. Just act in a way that makes it clear whether they're just a friend or someone special. To avoid falling into the friend zone trap, you should show your intentions early on. 2. Making them feel good matters. Why would someone want to be in a relationship? Because they feel good around the other person. If they enjoy spending time with you, if they feel peaceful by your side, that's already a strong signal. People want to spend more time with those who make them feel good. 3. Listen. Really listen. It's nice to talk about yourself, but listening to the other person is more valuable. Remember what they say, pay attention, and be able to summarize. Making them feel heard is one of the cornerstones of a relationship. Everyone wants to be understood. 4. Be kind and respectful. This isn't a tactic, it's a human quality. If the other person sees you as balanced and emotionally stable, they'll naturally find you attractive. Being respectful is a foundational step before getting into a relationship. 5. Don't hide your feelings, express them. Whatever you feel, say it openly. Emotions you keep inside won't be understood by the other person. Being open isn't a weakness, it's a sign of sincerity. People build safer relationships with those who express their feelings openly. 6. Establish the right level of communication. Not too cold and distant, but also not overly intimate. Striking the right balance in communication is key. You're not just a friend, but you're not lovers yet either. But you want to show the potential. Keep a tone that reflects this. 7. Don't ignore their social circle. A relationship doesn't consist of just 2 people. There's also family, friends, and a social environment. If you can get along with their circle too, you lay a strong foundation for a serious relationship. People want their loved ones to get along with their surroundings. 8. Respect their boundaries. Everyone has boundaries and things they care about. Learn them, be mindful of them, and never violate them. Respecting what matters to them builds trust over time. Listening is the key to understanding these boundaries. 9. Most importantly, be yourself. At the core of all these steps is being natural. Don't act, don't pose. Just be yourself. When you're sincere, show your interest, express your emotions, and maintain respect. What's meant to be will happen. People want relationships with those who are real. Don't forget to subscribe, like the videos, and leave a comment.